In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly with LinkedIn messaging. 5 minutes. Let's get you set up quickly and cleanly so you can drop your scheduling links right into LinkedIn conversations. Start by opening your browser and heading to calendly.com. In the top right, click Log In. Enter your email address, choose Continue, then enter your password and continue again. After you sign in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage where your event types live. From the homepage, look for integrations and apps and open it. This is Calendly's directory of official add-ons. Use the search bar and type LinkedIn, then select LinkedIn messaging from the results. On the LinkedIn messaging integration page, click Download for Chrome. Calendly will open a new browser tab and take you to the Chrome Web Store listing for this integration. In the Chrome Web Store, click Add to Chrome. When your browser asks you to confirm, click Add Extension. The extension will install in a moment and you'll see a confirmation. If you don't see the icon right away, click the puzzle piece in your browser toolbar and pin the extension so it's always visible. Once the extension is installed, Calendly is now connected to LinkedIn. If you're prompted, click Sign In and follow the on-screen steps to authorize access. This simply allows the extension to link your Calendly account with your LinkedIn messaging experience. Make sure you use the same Calendly account you just logged into and keep your browser updated for the smoothest setup. From here, using it is straightforward. When you're in LinkedIn messaging, open a conversation and you'll notice the Calendly option available from your Composer area. That's where you can choose an event type and instantly insert your scheduling link without leaving LinkedIn. It keeps the outreach personal, reduces back and forth, and increases the chances someone books a time right away. A couple of quick tips. If you're using a Chromium-based browser like Microsoft Edge, the Add to Chrome button will typically work the same way. If permissions are requested, review them and proceed as they're needed to show your Calendly options in LinkedIn. And if the integration doesn't appear immediately in LinkedIn, refresh the page or sign out and back into LinkedIn to reset the connection. That's it. You've connected Calendly to LinkedIn messaging, downloaded the Chrome extension, and signed in so everything works together. You're ready to share your availability directly inside your LinkedIn conversations and book meetings faster.